Welcome to our creative corner, where we'll show you how to make a charming elephant pencil topper using air-dry clay. So, grab your air-dry clay and pencil, and let's get started. Take a piece of blue clay and create a small ball. This will be the elephant's head. Now, carefully shape the trunk on one side of the ball you've just created. Next, it's time to give elephants some adorable features. Use a tool or toothpicks to create small indents for the mouth and eyes. Then take small pieces of black clay, roll 2 tiny balls for the eyes, press them onto the head, slightly flattening them. To create tongue, use small flat round shape of red clay and attached it to elephant's mouth. To add extra charm, use light pink clay to create rosy cheeks. Now take another piece of blue clay and mold it into 2 large, rounded ears. Did you know? Elephants are the largest of all land animals in the world. A newborn elephant can stand up shortly after being born. They can weigh up to 260 pounds. The average lifespan for an elephant in the wild is from 50 to 70 years. The oldest known elephant in the world lived to be 82 years of age. Elephants are herbivores. They eat a lot of different types of plants, mostly eating leaves, bark, fruits of trees and shrubs. Elephants can hold up to 4 gallons of water in their trunks at one time. When elephants greet each other, they twine their trunks together. Elephants drink up to 160 liters of water a day and eat up to 50 tons of food each year. Elephants will throw mud and sand over themselves to protect themselves from the hot sun. I hope you liked these interesting facts about elephants. Let's get back to shaping our air-dry clay elephant's ears. Use tools or toothpick to create indents on ears. This will enhance the depth and make our sculpture looks even better. Attach these ears to the sides of the head, applying gentle pressure to ensure a secure bond between the pieces. Using a separate piece of blue clay, roll it gently between your fingers until it becomes a smooth cylinder. This will form the body of your elephant. Attach the head to the body by gently pressing the two pieces together. Smooth out any visible seams using your fingers or a tool. Finally, carefully insert a pencil into the body of your elephant, ensuring it fits snugly. Adjust the neck and head if needed. Making clay animals pencil toppers is a fun activity. Creating and collecting clay animals can be a fun hobby, or you can make a clay animal as a special gift for a friend.